What is up, guys? Long time no see. I hope you all have been well. Today marks a very long time since I've modded the Civic or made any video for that matter. But I'm back. I have a very exciting unboxing for you guys today from Pro Civic. We also released these V2 hoodies. Cameron and I have been working really hard to get them shipped out to you guys, so please show your support and cop one. From the title, you guys probably already know what this is. It's been a mod that I wanted for so long, and I've been holding out on so many things to make this happen. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Alright, what is up, guys? Today is a brand new day because the weather in Sacramento has been shit. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Let's get started with the big box. Alright, let's see. We got a bag right here. And then we got the shock. Alright guys, so I went with a True Heart Air Plus air struts. So for our cars, we only have two options. It's either the D2 or the True Hearts. I went with these because they were a lot cheaper. They come with their own camber plates. And I know some people who run these without any real issues. The only issue that I've heard about these is that this little connector right here is made of plastic, which causes your air to leak at times. So that is where the second package comes in. Alright, so in the second package, I bought these aluminum fittings. So these will go in place of these plastic ones, and that should fix the issue of the air leaking. If you guys need the size, the bags connect to a 1/4 airline, and the thread itself on the bag is 3/8 NPT. And I'm going to be hooking this up to the Vera Essentials Management Kit. So this includes a 4-gallon tank with the compressor, all the electronics, and the 150cc switch. Should have everything you need to install, and you should be good to go. I'm going to try to make this video as straightforward as possible for you guys so you guys can install your own bags. I believe I'm the first one to make this video for the 10th gen, so hopefully it helps. Please like and subscribe, it really helps me out and pushes me to make more content. So if you guys are curious on what has changed in the car so far since the last time you saw it, there are two things. So if you guys follow our Instagram, you know that I recently got state refed due to my non-carb legal short ram intake. So I swapped that out for the stock one and installed the PRL stage 1. And let me tell you, it is so much faster. I do not recommend the short ram intake to anybody due to all of the heat soak. I say with our cars, you should either keep your stock intake or you go with the cold air, either from 27.1 or PRL. And the second thing is, what the fuck? Second thing is I upgraded these lips from a 2-inch to a 3.5 inch. So it looks so much more aggressive, and when I air out, hopefully I'm gonna hit the lip. I already know for the rears, it's gonna be absolutely perfect. But yeah, let's not waste any more time and get to the install. Alright, to start off this air suspension install, we have the car in the air, and we are going to remove the stock suspension and put in the air struts. Are you ready, Cameron?
Yeah, dude.
Let's do this.
Nice.
I really hope this install goes smooth because I wouldn't have it way back home. Alright, so first things first, I've already mounted this tank. If you guys don't want to spend the extra time doing a floor setup, I suggest you do it what I did, so you have more space to store stuff. So what I did to install this is I used these factory holes in the car, and I got a 10mm bolt, a washer, and a nut on the other side, and it's as simple as that.
Alright, it's just the little bottom cups. There you go.
Yes.
The spring is out.
Alright.
Nice.
If you guys are interested in these springs, please leave a comment down below and I will choose a winner.
Out for free.
Yeah, so pretty much you just pay the shipping and I will send it out to you.
Yeah. Who tightened this? Like, Chuck Norris?
Straight from the factory, dude. Oh yeah, and I also replaced these fittings already. It wasn't that hard. You just had to torque it back and use a Teflon tape so the air doesn't leak out. When you don't have a torque wrench, this is what you got to resort to.
I needed something longer.
If you guys don't have these tools, you're fucked.
Just quit.
Yeah, just stop. Alright, I got my slave working over there. And while he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten out the camber on the front camber plates.
Alright, now let's take everything off.
Alright, second spring is out.
Easy peasy, man.
We're already halfway through the day. Please pray for us that we get done in time.
Yeah. It's like 12.
We got Cameron's car right there. Yeah. Stock wheels.
Love my stock wheels. Flashy did. Excellent.
Yo, what's up?
Fucking here.
Alright, we got the homie Cindy just pulled through.
Hey.
Check out her whip. That fitment though. So what's your spec, Cindy?
So I'm running 19 by 9.5 in the front and then 19 by 11 in the rear.
Oh shit.
Negative 12 offset and then negative 18 offset.
Damn, that's hella aggressive.
Yeah. And then it's negative 7 camber in the rear and then I think like negative 3 in the front.
Cameron's finishing up the rears. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these top bolts for the front struts. If you guys have a front strut bar, you gotta remove that as well.
It's about the same stuff. How much is my down?
Okay.
One eternity later.
What's up, dude?
Part 2?
Yeah. What is up, guys? This is day 2 of the install. So the reason why we're taking an extra day is because we don't have enough airline, and we also needed a pressure switch, right?
We need a pressure switch. Possible we needed like a relay as well. But hopefully, I'm like praying that it's gonna go smoothly. The airlines yesterday went smoothly. We had them all routed underneath the car. We just needed a little extra for the tank. And yeah, I mean, now we're just trying to find out what the thread of the tank is and everything because we don't know what tank it is.
It's good. You want to show them why your name is Genzilla?
Oh yeah. You want to see something? Let's get this downshift a little bit. Oh shit.
Okay, so we just finished running the airlines through, so I'm going to briefly explain the process. The steps are actually quite easy, but it's very tedious, so I would set it aside around like 2 days to get it done. So we can go ahead and start off with the electrical. So we ran these lines all the way down the fender, going into the car from the footwell, so you guys can see here, and then we ran this straight into the switch. So all the wiring's done. I just need to pop this panel open and tuck it under so it looks a lot cleaner. And then the reason why the switch is in the back is because we didn't have enough airlines, so I'm gonna have to buy some more of that. I suggest you guys have at least 60 feet of airline to work with. Don't be like me because I messed up and wish I bought the kit brand new. So it comes with a matching Vera tank, the pressure gauge, and all the airlines. But you gotta work with what you have. As the air struts go, it is exactly the same as the coilover setup. So you're gonna remove these stock struts and replace it with the air struts. And then on the front, you have direct access to your camber adjustment. And as far as the airlines go, sorry I'm explaining this with the wheels on, but the process is actually pretty simple. So you're gonna wanna start at the air strut, going behind the fender wall, down underneath the carpet, and that's gonna run all the way to the other end. And then you're gonna wanna drill a hole to feed the line through. So the fronts are connected and it's gonna feed all the way through like that. The rears have their own separate airline, so it's gonna come from here straight up into the trunk. And yeah, you want to drill 4 holes and to feed the airlines through. Should be good to go.
After we got it route up here, I just cut into the little sides right here just to bring the lines in together. They merge underneath here. So we have like T connectors here, and then there's 3 tubes running all the way into the inside of the car. We still need some more line, but everything else is running. We had a few leaks, which we're trying to fix right now. But Everything else should be good.
Ooh. Alright, so we just took the car off the jacks. And now we're ready to air out for the first time. You ready, Cameron? Alright, hold up. Give it some time. It's getting there. Oh my god. You guys don't know how exciting this is. We spent 2 whole days. Bro. I want this shit focused. Okay.
That took forever.
Dude, that took forever,
Holy
dude.
crap, that took forever.
But look at this fitment though.
Dude, you're Lolo.
Damn.
Yo.
Oh, not bad. Thank you, Karen, for your help.
Oh, we did it.
Yes.
2 days. Yo, that looks sick though. Oh, that was baller.
Damn. Bro, I'm so excited. Damn. Alright, so that was the end of the install video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, we hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you in the next one.